welcome back to my channel. I am back with a hair video. I'm back with a collection from Pro's collection, Cashmere and Caviar. Maybe because I like caviar. If you've never had caviar before, you should try some. I did this look with the entire line, everything from start to finish. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do that, and also hit that bell for notifications for any time I post a new video. I'm really pleased with this line. My hair feels super moisturized. I actually was planning on doing a Bantu knot out. I wanted to try something different, but once I started doing my hair, I was like, you know what? Let me stick to my tried and true. I'm trying to perfect my go-to style. I'm in a phase now growing my hair out where it's kind of at that awkward length stage. Hope you guys enjoy. Of course, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Cheers. All right, so we're starting off with some old dirty twist out hair. Yeah, you can tell my hair is dry. We're gonna start off with the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath. I must say I was pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna compare it to their Blueberry Bliss. Number one, it's black, so that made it interesting. But number two, it was a lot more conditioning to me in terms of the shampoo experience. With the Blueberry Bliss shampoo, I grabbed that one when I'm going to clarify, but this one definitely got my hair clean. My hair didn't feel stripped as though everything had been ripped out of my hair, all of the moisture, everything that I worked so hard to maintain during the week. This hair bath I really love. I think it's true to what it says. It gently cleanses. There's activated charcoal in there, so that helps to condition and clean the hair. And then of course, the star of the show, Cashmere and Caviar, are definitely some added benefits to the shampoo. My hair was a little bit dirty, as I mentioned, so I needed a second shampoo to get a good lather going. Shampoo, rinse, repeat. I got a little bit of detangling in, but not too much. Like I said, it's not as clarifying as the other shampoo, but it was smooth enough for me to be comfortable with doing minor detangling, not major. Feels good, nice, good foam. So moving on to the conditioning, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair here. This part of wash day is incredibly important to me because first of all, natural, and I'm about 4B, 4C. So you know our hair is the driest texture. And then of course, on top of that, I am color treated. So my hair is extra dry. I try my best to deep condition with every wash, and I wanna make sure that I get every strand on my head. So that is why you see me taking my time to separate my hair and section it. It was a lot easier after the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath than say with the other shampoo in terms of separating, because my hair again doesn't feel stripped. It's still nice and soft. So now that I'm all sectioned off, I'm gonna go in with my Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. And like I said, I wanna make sure that I get every strand of my hair. I'm also gonna take this time to start detangling some more from that shampoo. But again, I'm gonna go section by section, take my time to finger comb small knots and tangles out, but also make sure that I get every single strand coated in that conditioner. I should also mention I'm very heavy-handed with conditioner, and again, that being because hair texture itself is already dry, and then now being color treated, I just go ahead and slap the conditioner on. I'm not frugal at all, so this is some expensive stuff, but yeah, I wanted my hair to soak up all the good juices and berries. This deep conditioner is infused with Cashmere and Caviar extracts, antioxidants, vitamins, all to strengthen and smooth your hair. So all good stuff. It helps to repair scalp damage. That's another good thing about this conditioner, and promote faster hair growth and a healthier scalp. We know anytime your scalp is healthy, your hair is gonna grow. So I like that. Checking all the boxes for what we want. So yeah, I'm luxuriating and getting that conditioner all up and through there. So now that I got that all through my hair, I'm being gentle while I'm trying to detangle and get the bigger knots out with my hands before I go in with a tool to detangle. So we're starting off with the hair silk. This is gonna be your leave-in conditioner. Look at my face, I'm looking like, it's nice, it's creamy. It's not too thick, but it was a good enough consistency that once I got it in the hair, you'll see my comb just glided through nice and easy without a problem. And then I go ahead and style with the hair jelly. Now this to me reminds me a lot of the Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly. It's the star of the show. Again, I can tell that it's gonna have great hold, great styling power. I like that while I'm using a leave-in and a styler, that my hair still feels like it's getting the moisture that it needs. Both of these products, I think, add great slick. Definitely an added benefit of styling with these products. They're also conditioning your hair, again with that Cashmere and Caviar infusion. Moving more onto the front so that you can actually see me styling my hair. Of course, it took a little longer, so once I got to the top, I started spritzing the areas. I also want to point out my new growth. Probably been about 3 or 4 weeks since I did this color, so I'm pretty pleased with that new growth there. Sectioning my hair, like I said, I took the time to do smaller twists this time, so I wanted them to be smaller and neater, smoothing them out at the ends, making sure there's no tangles when I get down. And I found that doing them smaller this time, when I took them out, had a little bit more volume and fullness, which is what I like. Why I actually liked this hair at day 1. I'm usually a day 2, day 3 hair girl. So that's another added benefit about this line, that I was able to style my hair. And although I kept the twists in for a couple of days, because I'm not doing my hair till I have somewhere to go, I really liked my hair as soon as I took it down and separated. Now your girl got some time, got somewhere to go, put a little beat face on, and now we're just gonna separate those twists. You know the drill. Separate, separate, separate. I actually like a little bit of frizz, so I'm kind of rough with taking them out. I know I see some people that try to protect the curl and the spirals, but I actually prefer a little bit of frizz when my hair is finally styled. I'm gonna start off with the Cashmere and Caviar hair serum, which again, as you know, it's infused with Cashmere and Caviar extracts, again meant to help with growth and strengthening your hair. Again, another product that was a little bit surprising for me. I was expecting a true serum oil kind of consistency, but it was actually a little bit thicker, but it still did the job. I also like that my hair, you know, I'm blonde, so I can look a little bit dry sometimes, but look at that sheen. I think that's not just from the serum, but also the other products that I use, particularly the hair silk. I think I read that the hair silk is meant to enhance shine as well. Again, like I said, I'm not too concerned with frizz when separating, because I do actually like a little bit of frizz. I like that undone look. I don't like to look too put together, if that makes sense. Once I get them all separated, I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff, you know, try to get this style going. Again, like I said, I'm kind of in a weird growing phase and I need a haircut, so one side is a little bit longer than the other. That side that you see me playing with, trying to get a part going. Probably should put some bobby pins in there to keep that shape. I haven't had any luck finding bobby pins that will blend in with my hair color, but yeah, just take my afro pick the roots a little bit, get a little volume going there. I'm gonna go in with my Blueberry Bliss edge control and get the little baby hairs laying down nice and slick and styling. I'm ready to go. So as usual, let me know what you think. I hope you liked the final product as much as I did. Like I said, first day hair is usually a struggle for me. I usually have to go to practice and sweat in it a little bit so that my roots can swell up some more before I'm actually like, okay, yeah, we vibing. But I was really excited that, you know, once I took this down, I felt like I could go out on the town just like this and be pleased with it. Yeah, I hope you like this. As usual, if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.